What if I told you you can make full TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts in minutes with no editing, no filming, and no script writing? All done by AI for free using just CapCut.
CapCut just launched an insane AI video feature that builds short videos for you from scratch. Templates, text, stock footage, even voiceovers. Today, I'll show you how to use it and how to turn it into content that actually performs. So when you download the app, you click on AI Video Maker right here. We'll get back to this later, but let's go and take a look at the templates. We got many different templates that are actually really good. So what kind of videos should you make? The motivational quotes, or the storytelling, and the product promos. In this video, we're gonna create a video in the storytelling niche. We should be using this template. It looks good. Yeah, we'll choose this one, so let's go ahead and fill it up. We got a horror, mystery, thriller, story about main character and setting. We got character A and character B. So the story is gonna be about let's see. We're gonna write a horror story about a lost girl. Let's say a lost girl who became a vampire. I'm gonna name her Sarah. She's a brunette. And other character is gonna be Jack. I'm gonna click on generate down here. It takes some time to generate, so we're gonna fast forward this. It takes about like 10 to 15 minutes because it's basically create the script, the voiceover, and the media. As you can see, the video is fully ready. We can change some things if we don't like them, like the media, the voiceovers, or the captions. Here we got the voiceovers, even though the ones they put is already good.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers. Welcome to creating voiceovers. Welcome.
And I'm gonna stick with the original one. Let's see the captions. We can change the captions. There's many different templates. Just see. I don't like this one. We can also choose the background music. Let's see what they got. I'm gonna use this one, yeah. Yeah, we can change the script as well, even though I'm not gonna do it, but you can do it if you don't like yours. I can change the media, add some more media. Yeah, so let's take a look at the final result.
In a sleepy town nestled against ancient woods, Sarah was known for her infectious laughter and flowing brown hair. One fateful evening, she ventured into the forest's edge and vanished without a trace. The townspeople searched tirelessly, their calls echoing unanswered through the trees. As days turned to weeks, whispers of the forest's dark secrets grew louder. On a moonless night, Jack, with his brooding features, led a group into an unexplored cave. Their flashlights revealed a chilling sight. Sarah, crouched in the shadows, her once warm eyes now gleaming with an otherworldly hunger. As they approached, her laughter, now hollow and cold, reverberated off the damp walls. Sarah spoke.
Now there's another feature I want to talk about, and it's called the brainstorm with AI. I really like this feature because basically you just give them your idea and they turn it into a full video, like the script, the media, the voiceover, everything. You just tell them your idea. So let's try it. Let's say an animal comparison between the tiger and the lion. That should be good. We're gonna choose the topic. Lion says tiger, the ultimate showdown spring. Would win, yes. And tiger says lion, the Clash of Kings, of course. Oh, now we're gonna choose the duration. It's gonna be 3 minutes, and if we got more requirement, we're gonna type them here. I'm gonna fast forward this as well because it takes sometimes like 10 minutes and up. Now we're gonna generate the media. I'm gonna choose a style. It's gonna be photograph for this one because we want real photos of animals. Click on apply to all scenes. I'll wait for some time. As you can see, the scenes are being generated. Yeah, but we got the voice missing, so we're gonna generate the voiceover. I'm gonna go with Leo.
Welcome to creating
Because I like how it
voiceovers.
sounds. Gotta fast forward.
A lion and a tiger, two majestic big cats, are often regarded as the kings and queens.
Again,
of their
so after
respective
creating the
territories.
voiceover, I
What if these
see
apex
that we
predators
have
were to go
some missing
head-to-head in an
scenes.
ultimate showdown?
Yeah, we have lost a lot of scenes actually, as you can see. So we're gonna regenerate them. I'm gonna click on generate AI media for all. I'm gonna do the same steps, choose the style. It's gonna be photograph as well. Let's see.
A lion and a tiger, two
Yeah.
majestic big
Yeah,
cats,
so now we have a better
are often
result.
regarded as the kings and queens
Let's
of
see
their
how the
respective
video
domains.
looks.
But what if these apex predators were to go head-to-head in an ultimate showdown? Who would win? Let's dive into the showdown of strength and speed between the lion and the tiger. The lion, known for its imposing roar and powerful presence, is the second largest cat after the tiger. Males can weigh up to 550 pounds and females around 400 pounds.
It's really good actually. And same way, we can change the captions, add some background music, and actually just take a look at this movie trailer that I created. It looks stunning. This feature is really incredible. Just take a look.
We are being attacked, and we need to fight back, or the kingdom will fall.
The time has come. Get ready, Skylab.
CapCut just made video creation stupidly easy, and you're officially out of excuses. You don't need a camera to be an expert at video editing. Just pick a template, drop your text, and that's it. If you want more fast AI tools like this, subscribe and turn on the bell. I'm dropping everything I find to help you grow smarter, not harder. I also made a video on how to monetize the videos you create with AI. It will appear somewhere in your screen. Don't forget to watch it as well. Don't waste any more time. Go start your business. See you in the next video.